Hey guys, I'm here at 2407 Washington Street, Hollywood. It's a house for sale. They're asking $469,000. The house has an amazing potential. It's on a double lot. It has a 2 unit that can easily be converted into more. A 3 bedroom, 4 bedrooms, very easy. The house will need updating for sure. And then where you're seeing right now, it's a garage that behind it there is another unit, and this is the parking space that on the outside, and then on the right side of the house we can also do an entrance in the future for more vehicles if needed. Probably not. The house is 2380 square footage. I think that the 2 is probably around 1500. We're gonna go there now. That's the side of the house, which if we want to utilize the garage here for more living space, then we can do more cars coming in here. So this is the side entrance to the house, which I think most people will use. Over there is the main entrance, but that's from the street. The house has an amazing atmosphere. There is the front that is basically all the grass area, and if you'll see me here walking, there is over there more grass. Feels very quiet because of all the bushes around, so you feel like you're all by yourself. Here they did a nice seating area, and then from there we can go to the pool area, which I'll show you, which they did a very nice lights around the house. All of them are working condition. There are no impact windows. That's the main house. The floor definitely needs to be changed throughout. This is the living room right now space and dining area. This is an area that I meant that we can easily do into like a 1 bedroom, even 2 bedrooms if we want to, and then just do like a split 2 doors that go each way, or we can do here a dining area, playroom, whatever we want. This is the kitchen. So the kitchen have 2 entrances. That's why I said we can close where I came from now into a room if we want. The kitchen is not in worse shape, but I will suggest to give it a facelift. I'm gonna go now to the 2 bedrooms. So it's gonna be on the right side. So that's 1 bedroom. Then the AC is new from 2016. This is one room, definitely a good sized room with 2 closets. This is, by the way, the pool. A lot of potential in this house. We can, for example, leave this window, and if we want to do like French doors going to the pool, if we want to do that. This is the bathroom. Again, needs work. And this will be like the master. This was probably in the past, I think, another garage. I think that the entrance to the house used to be here. I'm not sure. So this is one closet, and that's the other closet. Now, this is supposedly the bathroom. So obviously the bathroom will need to be completely redone. We can do it a really nice bathroom. It's huge. Obviously close it up, the wall here, and then do it. I mean, you have the toilet here right now and the shower. That's the makeup area. So again, this will definitely needs to be redone, but the bone structure is here. The house is built from concrete, it's a solid concrete. And now I'm gonna go outside to show you the back area. We're gonna start first with the unit that is 1-1. That's the entrance to the garage. I will show it to you from the other side. This, again, very nice vibe in this house. Very calm, relaxing. So this is kind of like the studio that they did. So this is kind of like a studio if we want. This is a closet. we can break this and do like one of those kitchens. We can open all this and do like the kitchens that we do, the 5 feet kitchens. And that's the bathroom. Of course it needs work. That's the entrance to the garage, and if we want we can easily extend it out. We're going to need to level the floors, but we can extend it out and then do this unit much bigger if we want to do the work. Now I'm going to take you to the pool area. This is, by the way, the back. I'm going to show you from the other side. So if we want, we can park cars here. I don't think we need to. I mean, there is plenty of car space in the front. This is a water fountain that they brought from Italy. It should work. This is septic. So the house is on septic tank. I'm pretty sure that in the future the city will do the work to connect to city sewer, because they already start work around here in other streets. So it's a matter of time. Gives very good vibe to the house. A lot of windows, so again, it's not impact windows. If we ever gonna want to change it, we should take it into consideration. The house has gas, so the pool is heated on gas, and I think that's a big plus as well. So that's the pool, 8 foot deep. They built it not long ago. It looks like they did the fence, baby fence also, baby guard. So this is a nice thing. This is not a jacuzzi. This was supposed to be kind of like a grill bar area. So when people sit here, they actually get drinks from the bar. So we can do here kind of like a bar theme and drinks and, you know, similar stuff to that. Can be very cool. Again, the landscape is, I think, amazing. The roof, if I didn't mention, is probably have 3 years life expectancy left. But you can see how we're walking here. It feels like walking in a small forest. I think that the potential is amazing here. They said that probably price-wise, they will accept around the 400,000. So maybe we can even get it a little bit less than that, but it's probably going to be around that. And that's about it for the house.